welcome to Little Koala Club. Let's start with our 3 deep breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can close your eyes if you wish. Big deep breath in through your nose and out your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Let all that air out. One more, in through your nose and out your mouth. Okay, well, our drawing today is all about water. So let's start with lead pencil. Have your blue pencils ready. And let's start. Let's start with a teardrop shape. Basic drop of water. And we're going to just do some cross lines. Bigger ones at the bottom. And some cross hatching. Cross hatching is a good way to make things look three-dimensional. And we have a few things coming up the side here. Okay, just a quick way to make your water droplets look 3D like. Okay, let's try some other splashes. We're going to start with something splashing in our water. So draw some basic shapes like that. And then we can draw some ripples in the water. Or we can try some other shapes that might look a bit like splashes. Try that. Another one. Let's do a little part first. Then we're going to do a jaggy part. And it's going to curl up. And we're going to trace around this. And some splashes out this way. Another splash in the water. Okay, imagine there is something dripping from down this page. So the water is dripping down. Fix up my shape there a little bit. Or we could have that it's dripping into our water here. Okay, we might colour this one in so that we get, I'm going to use 2 different blues for this. So our outside shapes, I'm going to do in the pale blue. And down this side, my circle, and that shape. And I'm going to use my dark blue. To colour the other side. Now we get a bit of a 3D effect happening just by using 2 simple colours. And I can blend them a little bit in the centre. Okay, let's try something else. Let's just try, we use our light pencil. Let's just try a water drop that's sitting on, I might need to do that a little bit darker for you. Water drop that's sitting on the countertop or wherever it might be. So I'm going to have some white circle bits. And it's going to be light and dark. So we are going to colour the top part in light. Okay, so it's about shading, a bit of cross-hatching to make things look three-dimensional. Kind of what you're drawing, so it looks like there's not an outline up the top. And then I'm going to use my dark pencil. Going down the bottom. I'm going to come back with my lighter pencil and go over the top of that so that it blends in a little as well. Okay, so water droplet sitting on the countertop. Okay, now for a bit of fun, I thought we would try some water splotches with some different ways to colour them in. So I'm going to start with lead pencil first. So we need to do just some splodges. They could be splodges of paint or splodges of water. This is my first splodge, so draw yourself a splodge shape. Now this one, we're going to make it look 3D by leaving a little bit of white on each section. So draw a little bit of white on each section. Okay, and we're going to start with our dark colour first. Our dark colour is going to go, and this one I'm actually going to leave a line of dark colour, just for a different effect. Outline the part that I'm going to colour in dark for my splodge. In. Be careful to colour around those white holes. You don't want to cover those up. Of course, if you were doing this in paint, you could put the white on last. Or if you've got a white paint pen, you could do it with a white paint pen. Big splat of something. Could be water, could be paint. Okay, so we want to pretty much colour in so there's not much white left except those bits that you've left on purpose. Okay, then we're going to swap colours and come back to our pale blue. I'm just going to outline mine first. I'm going to turn it so I can color it in. Those white spots. Okay, there's our first water splodge. Lots of different ways you can do your water splodges. Okay, our last little drawing activity, I think we'll go back to our pencil and we're going to draw a glass of water. So we need a very squashed oval at the top. That might take a little bit of practice. And then we're going to very carefully draw our sides of our glass. Now, this is the important part to make your glass look right. This curve here, and I'm going to turn mine sideways because I find it easier to draw downwards. This curve here has to be the same as this curve here. They have to be parallel. So trace that a few times with your hand and then draw your curve shape in. We're also going to draw that same curve shape here for our water. So let's have a look. So that far it looks like a solid glass with a line on it. We're going to make it see through in just a moment. Now we're going to look at this curve shape. So we look at this curve shape and we're going to draw that curve shape there. And we're also going to draw that curved shape down the bottom of my glass. Now when you turn it up, it's starting to look like a glass of water. If we add some lines in now, just a couple of little lines, our glass is going to look like it is an actual glass of water. Just some little lines on the glass, maybe a little bit across here, maybe some bubbles, some lines outside of the glass just to make it look 3D, a little bit of cross hatching on both sides. And to make it look like there's liquid in there, let's put some lines, just a few, in the middle. Now, our glass is sitting on a table, because if we have an object sitting on something, then it starts to look a bit more realistic as well. So there's our glass sitting on the table. And to make it look even more realistic, we're going to add some shadow, but we're going to do it by cross-hatching. So just do a little bit of cross-hatching. So cross-hatching, lines one way, lines going the other way, and there we have it, our glass of water. That's a good one to practice. See you next time.